Hello everyone. In order to BitLock the drive, we first need to open up my computer, and we can see over here that this drive has not been BitLocked yet. So I'll go to the control panel and open up BitLocker drive over here. And we have two options over here. This is the C drive and the D drive. Now let's just click on it. It's going to ask us to save the file in one of the three places. We can save to the drive. Now, since C drive is being BitLocker encrypted, so it won't be able to save the file over here. So you need to save the file on another place or another drive which is not encrypted. Or what you can do is you can print the file somewhere or put it in PDF or save it to your Microsoft account. Until you do that, you cannot go forward. So what we're going to do is we will print the file, and once we have saved the file anywhere we want, we can then go to the next option. Make sure to keep this file safe or memorize your password, because it won't be able to access it without the key code or the password. So once that's done, we have two options over here. We can either go for the complete encryption or only the files that have been on the hard drive and leave the free space as a not encrypted. We should go for the full one so that whenever we put data on it, it gets encrypted as well. And we have two options over here. You can select which sort of encryption level do you want. Do you want a fixed one? Do you want the new one? And it's entirely up to you. And once it's all done, we need to click on Start Encrypting. Please remember that it takes some time to encrypt the drive. Microsoft says that it takes about 1 second per 500. I'm sorry, 1 minute for 500 MB. So yeah. Anyways, we'll close the drive, we'll click on Start Encrypting, and this is the drive which I was already encrypting. It's been around 2 days for this drive to be done, and it's going to show like this. Now make sure that you pause the drive before you remove it. That's very important, otherwise you'll lose your data. And that's about it. Yep. Now, while encrypting, we have these options over here. We can use them to manage our account. You can set the password, you can change the password, you can manage the BitLocker settings. It's up to you. Now, if we see the working on the hard drive, we'll know that it's around 100%. So your hard drive will be performing it's always got, this will be operating at nearly 100%. Read and the write speeds. Yes, you can see over here the read and the write speeds are balanced. It's not just the writing or reading of the data, but they are both. So the hard drive is working 100%. So make sure you have adequate cooling, otherwise it may get hot if there is not much cooling, and since it requires time. So yeah, cooling is an important part of this. And that's about it. That's all there is. Thank you very much.